Hey, what is up everybody, Adnan is here. And today we are going to be taking a look at these Samsung Galaxy Buds. I've been excited for these, waiting so long for these ever since I saw the leaks and heard the rumors, and now they are finally here. These are the white versions. On the side of the box kind of gives you a little bit of the specs. It's got 6 hours of playtime plus 7 hours with charging case, clear core and sound quality, wireless charging, and it is designed for comfort and stability. Then around the back of the box you still got the name Samsung Galaxy Buds True Wireless Earbuds, 6 hours of playtime, Bluetooth sound by AKG. So you already know these are going to sound great. The package contains earbud left and right charging case, wingtip 3 sets, earbud tip 3 sets, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. So let me go ahead and open up the box so we can take a look at them. Alright, so I got the box opened up. Now let's see what this is. First you got a little box right here. This looks like it could be the charging cable, and yes, we got the charging cable in there, extra earbuds, the wingtips. So that's all that important stuff that you need to charge these things if you're not going to go wireless charging. So go ahead and set that to the side, and then right here we have the case for the earbuds with the earbuds themselves inside. So you can see right there, Samsung Sound by AKG. Excuse the lighting, I know it's a bit bright right now. Let me open this up. Wow. Look at that, these are nice. I got it like a nice grey, light grey color. Inside got the earbuds right there. Oh my gosh, these look really nice. Look at that. Alright, so I got them both out right here, left and right, and the first thing you'll notice is the microphone on the outside for when you're on a phone call. But not only is there a mic on the outside, but you also have a mic on the inside as well, so call quality is going to be great. They should be able to hear you really good. I can try them. But look at the color looks nice. You got the white with the gray, so I'm gonna set them up with my Galaxy S10 Plus and see how easy it is to connect them. So check this out, look how easy it is to connect these to your device. So I got the earbuds inside the case right now. As soon as you open up the case, the phone is going to detect that they are nearby via Bluetooth. So watch this, look how quick this is. I'm going to open them up, send them to the side. Boom, a new device has been detected. Earbuds right there as well. So let's go ahead and throw some music on first. Oh, actually first, real quick, let's check out the wireless charging from the phone to the earbuds. So all you got to do, pull down the notification bar right here, wireless power share. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and you can put the center of your phone back to back with another device, obviously a device that supports wireless charging. So let me head and put this down, and you'll be able to hear a sound. You'll know when these start charging. Here we go, you hear that? So that's how you get the wireless charging from the phone to the earbuds. Say they are charging right now, so that is a pretty cool feature, and it even shows a little light right here. So you know they are charging. You got that red light down there. I gotta say, the noise cancellation on these, it probably sounds like I am yelling right now, because the noise cancellation on these earbuds is just wow. It really cancels out a lot of the outside sound, so it probably sounds like I'm yelling right now because I cannot hear myself. But let me go ahead and play some music here, playing it, and they actually sound really good. Let me turn the volume. See how loud they go. Whoa, they get really loud. I'm going to turn this down because they do get a bit loud. Sound quality is great. The bass is just perfect. It's not too much bass, it's just right there, enough to where you can hear it and feel a little bit. But once you get the volume going a bit up, you can feel the bass a little bit more. But the overall sound quality is just clear and crisp. It has a nice clean sound to it. I'm loving these things. I'm gonna be using these all the time for sure. Alright, so I am really impressed with the sound quality of these earbuds. They sound really good, no complaints here at all. I haven't made a phone call just a while ago and the person on the other side said they were able to hear me clear without any muffling or anything like that, because this does have two mics, so if it can't really get the sound from the outside, it will take the sound from the inside of your ear as well, and the sound just comes out clear. They said I sounded really good, so no complaints there either. I am really happy with these, and I think anybody who gets them is going to be very satisfied, not disappointed at all. I'm loving the sound clock. These are going to be my go-to earbuds from now on, day in and day out. So as the boy Philosophy Carter would say, these are a major go. Huge thumbs up for me. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up on it if you did find it at any way helpful. Like I said, I'm really loving these. I can't wait to use them again. I'm gonna be using on my whole flight home. But yeah, you guys leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that back for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. If you guys so much for watching. This is Adnan. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.